Hey guys, welcome back to Big Pete's Kitchen. I know it's been a while, so I'm just going to consider this the start of Season 2 on Big Pete's Kitchen. Today we are making herb roasted pork chops. But wait, I forgot. It's time for a face reveal. Alright, so to start off, we are going to put in 4.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we have 1.5 teaspoons of rosemary. Then we have 3/4 teaspoons of crushed red pepper, 2.25 teaspoons of Mexican oregano, 2.25 teaspoons of basil leaves, 3 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, 3 teaspoons of thyme, and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now what you're going to want to do is to mix this up into a paste. And keep mixing until you have all the ingredients incorporated into one paste. You're going to want to let it marinate in a refrigerator for about 2 hours. Make sure you get it all out of the pan. Now, to make sure it's spread out, use the back of the spoon and just get it over the surface. Alright, so after you spread it all around the pork chops, and you're going to want to make sure that you flip them around and spread it too, you're going to want to cover it with plastic wrap, like so. And then you're going to want to put it into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Like this. Alright guys, so now after the 2 hours have passed, we're going to put them on the skillet just until they get a nice brown sear. Alright, so now that they're all on, just going to keep this on. Also, we put the 5 on before we put on the 6, as you can see, and we preheated the oil in this pan. We also preheated the oven to 400 degrees. Alright, so after about 3 minutes of being in this saute pan, they have browned on one side, and as you can see we flipped them over, so now we are going to bring it into the oven. Right in here. And they are going to be in there for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees. The pork chops are out of the oven. Please let them rest for 10 minutes and then you can enjoy eating them. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.